Are you familiar with the announcement that works to grow a small account doesn't seem to produce results? You have tried very techniques and haven't achieved real outcomes? This video is just what you need. I review the tactics and turn my situation around and could do the same for you guys. Let's go with that today. I've got a special treat just for you. Stay tuned until the end of the video and you'll be blown away. Guys, today we're gonna work with two indicators, two moving average lines, and stochastic oscillator that I gotta use for you, right? So we're gonna use one line with 5 in simple movement, and the color is up to you. The other one 8, okay, in the white. For stochastic, we're gonna use 13, 2, 2, and simple movement, and that's the style that I'm using right here, okay? Guys, so I need some time to find a great moment and back to you. Today we're gonna use classic candles, 1 minute expiration time, $18, and time frame 1 minute as well. All right, so let's start with that, and I will start with my explanation when it got good opportunity for us. All right, guys, I want to remind you that for all those who are interested with that, the platform registration link is in the description of the video. All right. So in this strategy, I pay the main attention to the lines of stochastic oscillator. Okay, for that we use buy button for this one, and which in direction then moving. But I take into account the fact that these lines must cross each other and then move in a specific direction. That's an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, just follow the movement of the lines. Also, the pink and the white line of both moving average should be crossed with then. We have this right here, all right? And this factor is not so necessary. You can just notice the when have good movement of the candles. But if there is an upward trend when open the such position, it is a great signal. As the same for a downtrend. And look at this, guys. So the first win is very good. $34.56. Okay, bear in mind this is just often this strategy then can transform your experience in this market. To achieve a professional level, mastering the most profitable strategy is essential. But don't worry, I prepared to exclusive plenty of content for you that will be video for your growth, guys. We stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Guys, I think this is another good moment. Look at that, we got a downtrend right here. As you see, I open in a position in a downward direction, as I said, right? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. I look at this stochastic oscillator line crossing each other and going down. Okay, look at that. The both lines is pointing down. Okay, this is a very good signal, but I don't limit myself to this indicator, and now let's look for the pink and white line for the moving average. You need to pay attention in both parameters. With all scrolls are parallel to the line of the stochastic oscillator, we have the moving average, and this is very, very good signals for us. Okay, that's point to us for the downtrend. Unfortunately, I don't have a downtrend here. As you can see, this is a huge downtrend, but that is respecting so good. I really like the signals from these two indicators. All right, and that's why I decided to go into this trade, and this is a little bit risk, but look at that, man. We got $42 as profit for that, 54.80 cents in the total in my account. And that is pretty good, so let's keep doing that. All right, as you see here, guys, it's a standard situation, right? Why that's standard situation? The lines of both indicators cross each other. Okay, that's the same parameter for the previous one. Personally, I would say that this metal is a little bit risk situation for this metal, since the specific trend here is more down, but that's point 2 up right now. Okay, That's like zigzag, but here I only trust in the indicators. I always like the condition of the candle. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, green candles on that. We are made in an upward direction. I think there will be more one green candles for that. And then direction of the candles will go down after that. When it just hit that point right here. Okay. I think so that as you can see, one green candle will appear and see, guys. Okay. 3 seconds to 1 and go, man. The total win was recorded for that. $87 in the total. Okay, that's pretty good, guys. Don't forget about to take a look on the both indicators for that. I think here we have another cool moment, guys, and I want to tell you that is the best situation of this method. All right, of course. First of all, yeah, as you know, observe the stochastic oscillator first. Okay, we got the green line, the 81, just pointed down for the 20 line. Okay, which gives me an excellent signal. And the lines of the moving average, pink one with the white one, just crossing each other. You need to pay attention on that. Okay, here we have two more main factors. First, we have a clear downtrend, and that's great at the other, and there is a strong selling in a big red candle. Look, that is a huge one. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And that's mainly its point to us and showing for us that is a huge downtrend. So we can just join this opportunity, all right? This means that the next few candles maybe will with indicator signals most likely be red. Okay, and for you out of the trade, guys, look that $7 100 almost $20 in the total for that. Okay, as I told you, you can see that red candles have continued to move in down direction. I really like this method for its simplicity, for its effectiveness. You always notice that I pay a lot of attention to both indicators of the candle because they always tell us a lot about the movement for particular currencies, right? Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and please leave our comments how you like this method, and if you tried this, what is like your results. I want to say goodbye for that in the next video. So actually right now, have good profits, big for you. Bye bye. See you.